Hello, and welcome to our About Solana series. I'm Martha Reyes, Senior Research Analyst at Fidelity Digital Assets, and I'll be guiding you through this overview of Solana alongside my colleague, Max Waddington. In these short videos, we'll introduce you to Solana, starting with its origins and the problem it set out to solve. We'll break down the core technology behind the blockchain and its native token. We'll explore how Solana compares to Bitcoin and Ethereum, discuss the key risks, and conclude with its overall value proposition. Whether you're building foundational knowledge or looking to deepen your understanding, this series will provide a concise introduction to Solana. You can continue watching to learn about Solana's beginnings.